Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and immediately choosing a working template or a blank file so you can focus. Once done, save with a clear name and set slide size to 16:9 because that fits most screens. Make sure to configure display settings, duplicate or extend, so external monitors behave. This step avoids wasted layout work later and ensures your slides match the display. It also gives you a reliable starting canvas to build visuals and structure in the next steps. You now construct slides with consistency by editing the slide master. That saves time and enforces brand fonts and spacing. Then add concise headings and short bullets, one idea per slide, while placing images at appropriate resolutions for clarity. Use data visuals instead of dense text. When inserting charts, simplify axes and labels. Once layouts are set, apply subtle transitions and limit animations to key points so the audience stays focused. This balance makes your presentation readable and professional. You finish by rehearsing timings and enabling presenter view so your notes and upcoming slide preview guide delivery. Once satisfied, export a PDF for distribution or an MP4 if you need recorded playback. Embed fonts to preserve layout on other machines. Make sure to test the file on the actual laptop and projector before presenting. If something goes wrong, like missing fonts or wonky layout, replace fonts in the slide master or save as PDF to preserve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.